is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in the studio, I'm going to show you how to put on 3-button navigation on your Samsung phone. So you can see I have just the gestures turned on right now. So I only have this little line on the bottom. So I'm going to go to settings on the top right. And then I can just simply go to search. And just search for gestures. Now on your Samsung phone, it's going to be called navigation bar. So if we don't find it, we could just type that in as well. So gestures is what it's called, and we want to switch it from gestures to 3-button navigation. So you can see gestures, and then on our Samsung phone, it's going to be under here. It's called swipe gestures, display navigation bar. So you can also find it under display. So you can see located right here. We want it from swipe gestures over to buttons. Turn it on, and here are the buttons on the bottom of your screen. So you can also get here, if you go to settings, go to display. There should be an option under here for home screen. Or actually, looks like navigation bar is what I was talking about. Switch it to buttons and you'll be good to go. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.